Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is an example of comparison video for your assignment. Okay, so this video is made with a little preparation, so there might be some pauses or some awkwardness here and there, and hopefully you can do better than me. Okay, I'm going to compare these two phones. First is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro and Realme 8 Pro. They are in the similar price range, and they are released in a fairly the same, basically the same time. Yeah, both are released on March 2021. Okay, let's see. Let's start with the body. Okay, so Xiaomi here is a bit heavier than Realme, weighing 193 grams, and Realme is 176 grams. So it's a little bit heavier. Okay, and then let's see the display. Okay, both are using AMOLED. Okay, Xiaomi is using AMOLED, and Realme is using Super AMOLED. And it seems like it's almost the same. Yeah, both have 1200 nits at peak and 1000 nits at peak. So it's about the same. For the display quality, it's about the same. Also, the resolution is the same, 1080 by 2400 pixels, but the Realme have a slightly better density. PPI is pixel per inch. Yeah, it has 411 PPI, whereas Xiaomi has 365 PPI. But I guess the numbers are a bit, it doesn't really differ that much. Okay, let's see what else we can compare. How about the chipset? Both of them are using Snapdragon, and Xiaomi is using SM7150 Snapdragon 732G, whereas Realme is using SM7125 Snapdragon 720G. So from the numbers, I guess we can say the Xiaomi is slightly better. Yeah, slightly better, but I guess not by much. If you see the CPU here, both have octa core. Yeah, that means 8 cores, 2 by 2.3 gigahertz. It's also the same. Yeah, the same, and then 6 by 1.8 gigahertz. It's also the same. So I think in terms of speed, both of them are the same. But maybe, just maybe, theoretically, Xiaomi is a little bit faster. Okay, let's see the memory, the internal storage. They have there are several versions of Xiaomi here. We have 64 gigabytes with 64 gigabytes of storage and with 6 gigabytes of RAM, and the 128 gigabytes version with 6 gigabytes of RAM. And also another version is 128 gigabyte of RAM, 128 gigabyte of storage and 8 gigabytes of RAM. Whereas Realme has only two versions, the 60 gigabyte of RAM and 8 gigabyte of RAM. So I think if we compare the both of them, I mean at their best, they are the same. Yeah, they are the same. The best of this version of Xiaomi version is 134 with 8 gigabyte, and the best of Realme is 128 gigabyte, also with 8 gigabyte of RAM. But I don't know which one of these versions are in the displayed price here. But this one has 64 gigabytes. Yeah, so 64 gigabytes of storage and with 6 gigabytes of RAM. So maybe it's this version, yeah, for the $309.99. Maybe you get this version. That means you will get more for your money if you buy Realme in terms of storage.